Welcome back. Now it's time to discuss about one of the pillars of object-oriented programming, which is inheritance. Inheritance simply means that a superclass or a parent class or a base class, as commonly used, inherits some of the properties, variables, methods that it has to the subclass or the derived class that is derived from it. Let's go ahead and see how this is done in C#. Let's go ahead and create a class called animal. Let's create it in capital. And I will create a couple of variables, a string for example called animal name and date time called animal purse date to know the age, and create a method public void feed animal, and let's make this variables public as well. Okay, now we're done with this class. Let's go ahead and create another class called dogs in capital as well. That's the best practice for naming of the class to be capital. And let's create a couple of variables, for example the dog breed and another public string. I'll call it dog intelligence if it's low, medium, or high. And let's try something different. A bull is easy to train or not. And let's go ahead and create another class. I call it birds, and let's create a couple of variables, public also bird color, and again string bird name, for example, or country. It's fine. Now we have three different classes not related to each other. So if I come here and create a new instance of this class animal, now I can, as you're expecting, access the variables animal birth date or animal name, or even the only method that the animal class has, which is feed animal. But first let me create a dog here, dog instance now, and the dog also I can access only the dog breed, dog intelligence, and is easy to train or not. The same with birds as well. But what if I wanted to make some kind of relation? Animal, I would like it to be the superclass or the base class, and dogs and birds would be a derived class from it. How can we do this? Let's go ahead, and to make the inheritance work, we just use this symbol sign here, which is a colon. And after the colon, I will tell it that now this class here is inheriting from this class. I know maybe that that's not what you're expecting. You're expecting something complex, but it's not very complex. Now, if we were to use the dog instance in here, guess what? Now it has access to the variables in the animal. Remember that the animal birthday, the animal name were in this class, not in this class. Now I have access to them, and even the method, which is feed animal, now it's accessible in here. Very powerful, actually. The same with birds. If I define birds, go ahead, bird, and if I wanted to use bird, now only I can access a bird color, bird country, and there is no message even to access. But if I go to here and tell it that this will be inheriting from the animal class, and I went back here, and now I can start using the options of the base class, which is the animal. As you can see, now not only the bird color and the country, but also the animal birth date and the animal name, and the only function that we have, feed animal. You see, very powerful feature, very amazing and easy to use. Hope this was fun. See you in the next lectures.